What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Subaru Crosstrek remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Subaru Crosstreks that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I want to do is grab the key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this little silver button on the back of the key fob, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we grab the screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and then take a look at the bottom of it, this slot right here is where that emergency key just slid out of, and then just below that there's another little slot right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch, make sure it's all the way in there. Then I'm just going to angle the screwdriver up and kind of push up on that back cover like that. Then go ahead and pull the back cover off. And we see our circuit board with our battery right here. You can kind of just dump this out and it'll fall out. Now what I'm going to do is use my screwdriver to help get this battery out of this little holder. So just get under the edge of it and carefully pop it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. So what I'll do is kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And put the circuit board back into the front of the key fob, and make sure it's sitting down in that little rubber piece properly like that. And we'll snap the back cover on. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.